Welcome back to Product Critique, where we uncover the best products on the market for you. Today, we're diving into the world of temporary tattoos with a unique twist, introducing the best kids' tattoo sleeves for boys available in the market. This is the colorful temporary tattoo sleeve for kids by Briyhose. With its vibrant designs and easy application, it's become a favorite among kids and parents alike. Let's delve deeper into what makes this product stand out. First off, these tattoo sleeves are not your ordinary temporary tattoos. They're full-arm sleeves, providing a realistic and striking look that kids absolutely love. Plus, with 4 sheets included in each pack, there's plenty to go around for parties or everyday fun. But what really sets these sleeves apart is their longevity. Made with high-quality materials, they can last anywhere from 3 to 7 days, allowing kids to enjoy their new look for longer periods without worrying about fading or smudging. Now, let's talk about the application process. It couldn't be simpler. Just remove the clear film, place the tattoo on the skin, and wet it with water for 10 to 20 seconds. That's it. And when it's time to remove them, a bit of baby oil or rubbing alcohol does the trick. Whether it's for a birthday party, Halloween costume, or just a fun day out, these tattoo sleeves are sure to add a unique touch to any occasion. And with a variety of designs to choose from, including pumpkins, skulls, and fish, there's something for everyone. And of course, safety is always a priority. These tattoos are FDA compliant, meaning they're safe, non-toxic, and non-allergenic. Parents can rest easy knowing that their kids can enjoy these tattoos worry-free. So, there you have it, the colorful temporary tattoo sleeve for kids by Briyhose. With its vibrant designs, easy application, and long-lasting durability, it's truly the best kids' tattoo sleeves for boys available in the market. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest and greatest products. Until next time, happy tattooing!